everyone, it's Evelyn from CV Linens. Today I'm showing you how to assemble our modern 12-arm wedding candelabra. This tall wedding candelabra centerpiece can be used to decorate any area of a wedding or special event. With a height of 48 inches, this candelabra instantly adds elegance to event venues. The tall height also makes it perfect to use as a floor candelabra to decorate wedding aisles, wedding stages, sweetheart table areas, and more. You'll receive all the parts of the candelabra individually packaged. It'll be helpful to organize the parts by type as they're unpackaged. You will receive one candelabra centerpiece base, 12 hurricane glass cylinders, "12 candelabra sconce disc, 12 candelabra nozzles, 3 S-shaped candelabra arms, 9 C-shaped candelabra arms, 1 round metal disc plate, and a bag that contains 14 hex nuts, 14 split lock washers, 1 large threaded stud bolt with a gold cap and nut, and 14 small threaded stud bolts. We'll begin assembling the 12-arm candelabra by attaching the C-shaped candelabra arms to the base. Insert the threaded ends of the C-arms into the openings on the arm holder at the top of the candelabra stand. Secure the arms in place using the provided hex nut. Repeat this process with the rest of the C candelabra arms. We'll now attach the center candelabra arms. Attach the 3 S-shaped arms to the outer openings on the flat metal disc using the hex nuts. Attach the center arms to the base using the large stud bolt. Secure the disc in place using the gold cap that was removed earlier. Now we'll assemble the candelabra nozzles. Attach the small stud bolt to the sconce disc by threading the bolt to the bottom of the disc. Add a washer over the bolt. Cover the bottom of the sconce disc with the nozzle. Holding both parts in place, place them on the end of the candelabra arms. Twist the nozzles to secure them in place. Depending on your venue's guidelines, you can use standard taper candles or LED candles with your candelabra. How will you incorporate this modern candelabra in your next event decor? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thanks for watching!